Hey Creek Kids, welcome back to day 5 of Baking with the Barbs. Remember, Miss Barb Pepper is here with us. I'm Miss Barb Waldhuber, and we have had a great time having baking camp with you this summer. Boys and girls, just in case you've missed the first 4 days, we made perky pancakes where you could add all kinds of ingredients to your pancakes. We also made ants on a log. If you were with us, remember the ants on a log? Miss Barb put her raisins so it looked like they were marching in a line. We made ants on a log. And on Wednesday, the 3rd day, we made monkey business yogurt. You know what we did? We took cups of vanilla yogurt and we added fun ingredients to that. It was really good. And yesterday, on Thursday, we made funky oatmeal peanut butter balls. They were delicious. We got to eat them right after we were finished making them. Today, we're going to show you fun ways to eat fruit. We all like fruit. Fruit's a great thing in the summertime or any time to eat with a meal, to eat as a snack. Miss Barb, what do we need to do first before we start our next fun recipe?
We always need to start by washing our hands. Every time you work in the kitchen, you want to make sure you have nice, clean hands. Let's head over to the sink and wash our hands first. Here's some soap for you, Miss Barbara.
Thank you.
Oh, the lemon soap is making me think about our snack we're going to make today.
Oh, good.
It has to do with fruit.
I love the smell of lemon.
I do too. We could put lemons on our snack today.
We could, but it would be a little bit sour. Thank you.
Today we're going to make Fanciful fruit on a stick.
There are many ways to do this. We have chosen a few fruits that are already cut up, and so we're going to put them on a stick like this. We're going to start with a piece of pineapple and put the stick through. Hold your fingers down here at the bottom so that you don't push them all the way off. Then we're going to put a piece of orange on our stick, and then something red, a piece of watermelon. Now you could actually use any fruit that you really like. You could use mangoes, you can use oranges, you can use grapes. I'm putting grapes on right now. Now this, you could eat just like this. This is great, fun fruit. But Miss Barb is gonna jazz it up a little bit. Miss Barb, here is this fruit stick. While I make another one, you can jazz that one up.
Okay, and before I add the extra things, this fruit stick makes me think of a verse that I've read in the Bible before, Miss Barbara. There's a verse in the Bible in the book of Galatians, chapter 5, that says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control." Do you know what that means? That means that those are all things that the Holy Spirit gives us when we know Jesus. They're the fruit that shows in our life. Just like when you see a tree, you know if you look at an apple tree, it's an apple tree because the fruit that's growing on it are apples. Well, when you know Jesus, your life should look, you should have those things that are a part of your life. Your life should look like somebody who follows Jesus, that you show love and joy, peace and patience and kindness and goodness and faithfulness and self-control in your life. So these fruit sticks, they remind me about following Jesus with my whole heart and living a life that honors Him.
You know what, Miss Barb? That is a great analogy. And I think in these days right now, we've talked about this on the last couple of days, how hard it is right now during this time. Don't you find that it's a little bit hard to have patience and to have self-control? But do you know, we don't honor God when we say things that we don't mean, when we're not kind, but we do honor God when we are all of those great characteristics.
And you can pray and you can ask God to help you be more patient or peaceful or kind with your words and with your actions. Now, should we try and dress these up?
Yes.
Okay, we have some chocolate here, some melted chocolate. We have this kind in a can, but you could actually just melt chocolate chips in the microwave. And you could dip it in it, or I might just drizzle it on top with my spoon so I can make sure I get a lot of chocolate on my fruit stick. Would you like some, Miss Barbara?
No, I'm gonna put something different on my fruit stick.
What are you gonna
Since
put
you
on
made
yours?
chocolate, I am going to try sprinkles on mine. Have you ever put sprinkles on fruit? They just add a little bit more of sweetener and guess what? Color. I love color when I'm baking goods. And you could pick all kinds of things, but you know what? We have another way that you can eat your fruit. In the summertime, this is a fun way. Miss Barb, this fruit I already made and I put it in the freezer.
Oh, it's frozen.
So you
cold.
can eat your
On a
fruit
really hot day,
on a hot day.
this would be delicious to eat. The frozen grapes and the frozen pineapple and the watermelon could suck on them like ice cubes. You could even add them to your water.
You absolutely could. Wouldn't that be fun? That would be something different. Great kids, this has been a great week. Miss Barb and I love to cook. We love to bake. We love to come up with fun ideas. And we'd love for you to do some of these things at home with your family. So when you make something fun as a snack, we want you to put it on the Creek Kids page for us so we know you're doing fun stuff in the kitchen at home. Miss Barb,
Are we ready to try?
we're ready to
Our
try.
last snack of the week, fanciful fruit on a stick.
You're trying the
Let's
chocolate.
go.
I'm going to try the frozen since it's so hot today. I like frozen grapes.
Oh,
That's
chocolate
yummy.
chip fruit on a stick is fantastic.
Delicious. Bye, Creek Kids.